Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will explore Nvidia in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 21st of February, 2025, our system has categorized Nvidia as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.48. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 12.56%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.66% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely within this trend. The 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 16.55% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 26.27% to a modest decrease of 6.58%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 38.91%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 27.92% and 86.93% over the next year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price range between $150.34 and $219.68. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline: Nvidia stock price up 1.81% on Wednesday. The Nvidia stock price gained 1.81% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, rising from $115.43 to $117.52. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.12%, with a day low of $115.68 and a day high of $120.45. The price has been experiencing volatility during this period, resulting in a gain of 0.19% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 25 million shares, with a total of 271 million shares traded for approximately $31.810 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $153.13, while the lowest was $75.61. Currently, the price is 23.25%, or $35.61, below the 52-week high, and 47.30%, or $105.46, below the all-time high on the 15th of January 2018, when the price peaked at $222.98. Nvidia is making significant strides in the artificial intelligence sector, as highlighted during the recent GTC 2025 conference. The company is establishing a solid foundation for what is being referred to as agentic AI, a term suggesting a more advanced level of artificial intelligence capabilities. This evolution is likely to strengthen Nvidia's position in the technology industry, both in the short and long term, potentially driving its stock price upward as investor confidence increases. The company's announcement regarding new AI chips, Blackwell Ultra and Vera Rubin, along with strategic partnerships, reaffirms its dominance in the AI market. Furthermore, Nvidia's acquisition of the synthetic data startup Gretel will enhance its AI training capabilities, positioning it for future growth. Meanwhile, broader market trends are also influencing Nvidia's performance. The Federal Reserve's decision to maintain interest rates has bolstered stocks on Wall Street, creating a more favorable environment for technology stocks amid recent volatility. Although Nvidia has faced selling pressure, analysts still regard it as a strong player in the AI realm, with some suggesting that stock purchases may be timely. As Nvidia expands its AI solutions and continues to innovate, its strategic moves are likely to drive gains in market share and investor interest over the coming quarters. These developments indicate a promising outlook for Nvidia's stock price moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, March 19, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned NVDA a buy rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, March 19, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, March 19, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned NVDA a buy rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, March 19, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned NVDA an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, February 26, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an overweight rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts regard the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Nvidia stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $123.90. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will find some support from the short-term average at $116.32. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average will contribute to an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall bearish sentiment. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 10, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 9.85%. Continued upward movement is indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be observed closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 35 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia is currently supported by accumulated volume at $116.66. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.76 between its high and low points, which is a change of 4.12%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.76%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 92 cents. It is important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $118.42. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $116.66. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 13th of March, 2025, Burgess Robert K. conducted an insider sale of 53,324 shares of common stock. On the 26th of January, 2025, Drell Persis conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Puri JK conducted an insider purchase of 55,559 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Tater Timothy S. conducted an insider purchase of 57,489 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Cress Colette conducted an insider purchase of 57,106 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 56.366. Overall, insiders purchased 1,811,784 shares and sold 7,920,852 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of March, we anticipate Nvidia will open higher by 362 ten-thousandths and begin trading at 117 and 88 hundredths. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.